we were doing duets.
Yes.
And so you also came on as one of the technical editors for duets.
Yeah, it's like sharing the knowledge. It's wonderful, and I would show what I learned from you. So I love the math and the calculations and playing with numbers. And then sometimes I thought everyone loved calculations, so that is a mistake. But I learned slowly. Yeah.
And the other one was that you and I were talking about before, and that was that capelet. And it was done with 4 different lace patterns.
So somehow it's like I realized the pattern follow was wrong. I think I called you.
You called me, yeah. You're trying to explain it to me, but I couldn't understand what you were saying.
Yeah, because when I tried to explain in English, and I couldn't. My mother tongue Japanese, and even using the Japanese, I can't explain what's wrong with it.
Because I kept saying, okay, I have to see it.
Yeah.
And it was that when you're going in a circle, it's different. When you get to the center,
Right.
you have to slide back or slide forward.
Yeah.
And I hadn't told you that because you were so good, I forgot you were a new knitter.
Yeah,
And I gave you that
I was a
pattern.
new knitter. Yeah.
And as you told me, you ripped back. You said it took like 6 hours.
I saw that photo. It's like, oh, that's right.
You remember?
6 hours.
Like I always say, those skills are at the ready. You know, next time we know to cut, next time we know, how it slides back and forth. But I keep that in my classes each time. I remember forgetting that with you, and I always make sure that I teach those. You came to moderate and to translate for the DALs, and all the Japanese knitters came on.
My experience, I want to share with the other Japanese knitter.
Right.
You know, this is a great experience, and if you learned more about American knitting, and just I'm going to take care of you, so come join us.
It's just been a worldwide growth for all of us, because every time I do a DAL, I learn a lot.
I'm looking forward to seeing
The DAL,
Yeah.
are you going to make a garment?
the garment. It's the most fun.
Yeah,
because
it's
it's I don't like something like a square. I like the shaping or a little trick or hidden something. So the garment is the one I can do it.
It's amazing that you've just been, so involved in all the different projects. But you've been just, just an amazing, not just an amazing knitter, but an amazing friend. So thank you very much
You're very welcome, Nana. Thank you very much.